got some mail the other day. Let's take a look. So what we got is insulation pads for the top of the roof and new floor mats. Previous ones I had are kind of like mixed match. The owner must have lost the originals, so I just bought some new ones which should look pretty cool. This is the old one and this is the new one. I do notice though that these two holes, they don't line up with the hook on the bottom, but maybe it's for a different year, model JK, not sure, but it seems to fit pretty snug anyway. I really like this part. It sits right up against there, and then there's a space for the throttle. This one, see, that one still has Jeep on it, but it's also like this kind of material, so these ones are much nicer. This was the driver and that was passenger. Yeah. The heat insulation thing, it hasn't come with any instructions, but it looks pretty straightforward. Got all these like double-sided tape Velcro things, and on these panels there's the other side of the Velcro. So I think I'm going to take off the Freedom top because I'll be able to line it up easier. The canopy part might be a little tricky. It doesn't really say how many to use for what, so I'm assuming one for this side, one for this side, and two for the back. Charlie. So I've got them on all the little corners. I'm going to peel them off, stick it down, and then take it off again, and then I know at least where to line up the rest. It's pretty simple. I'm probably making a bigger deal out of it than I need to. I just want to make sure that I put these two middle ones in the right place. The ones on the edges are easy because they go on the edges, but these middle two, not so sure about it. Cool. So now I've got the placements and I can just fill the gaps in. I got two spare. I probably could have closed these gaps up a bit, but it's fine. I'll keep these for extra in case I need them later. So this should... There we go. Next one. So that's in the front. Now I'm going to do the back ones. I can't take this canopy off myself. Speaking of that, let me just show you this little clip from this guy who invented this little thing. I think he's based in Joburg. It helps you take the canopy off if you're just a single person, but it's super cool. Just have a look at this. How cool, eh? Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so now we're gonna put it on the back. Obviously I'm leaving the canopy on, and then it's gonna stick it in from the inside. Definitely be a lot easier to do this with a canopy off, that's for sure. Cool, so that's done. Let me just show you something quickly. So the one tricky part about doing it with the canopy on is this corner. I couldn't put the tape on there, and the same as on this side. Inside there I couldn't get the tape in. So as soon as I take the canopy off later when I have someone to help me, I'll put those extra pieces of tape up there, but otherwise that's it. Alright, so that's all in. Pretty easy to do. Like I said, I just need to finish off the little pieces of tape once I get the canopy off later. But yeah, pretty cool. Cool, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're on Instagram, follow me at A Jeep's Journey, and I'll see you guys in the next video.